Aren't you sick of eating your tangerine with chocolate and getting all messy? Or eating your tortilla and soup? All the mustard goes into your favorite shirt.
Being in a kick-ass party and suddenly squash! All the water splashes your style. Or getting all your clothes whitened because of the bad quality of the detergent.
Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Petroshka and I'm here to introduce you to one of the most important persons in the laundry industry, Ariel Jauni Sote, that he will present to us the new discovery.
Thank you, Petroshka. I'm here to introduce you to Timor. This is a revolutionary product that will replace the old detergents that you use. And not just that, but it's also eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly? How come?
Well, the thing is that it uses the same elements of a usual detergent, but also adds some natural ones that help raw water and hard water to get eliminated.
So you're telling me that all the environmental damage of the old detergent is gone? It will never happen again?
That's precisely what I'm talking about, but not just that. But your clothes will look better than with just a normal detergent.
That is completely amazing! How do you use it? Explain it!
Well, the thing is that the use of Timor is very, very easy. You just take the little product, that as you see is pretty small, and you put it inside the washer machine. Then you put your normal detergent and that's it. All the problems, all the environmental problems and effects are gone. And you stop using all these expensive and somehow very difficult detergents to use with just this capsule.
Wow, amazingly astonished. I can't believe it. And actually, some years ago, an environmental activist told me the important and incredible damages in the animals and how many animals are suffering and even the creation of mass extinction of that species all around the world.
Yeah, that's true. Nowadays, the process to make a single detergent are very dangerous for the environment because the water that is needed to make a single liter of detergent is twice the double the water that is contaminated afterwards. Many fish are damaged by this contaminated water. The fish have a mucus clothing all its surroundings. So when this use of detergent is accessible to the water, they are not able to have the mucus anymore. So they are damaged. And if they are fished, all that food would be poisoned.
Thank you. And now we move to a more scientific point of view in order to get to you as an audience to trust in our product.
Most of the detergents have phosphate. This element makes the clothes cleaner and the water softener. In large amounts, it has a negative effect with the eutrophication of plants. This product will have acetic acid, CH3COOH, also known as vinegar. This substance is a natural component that helps to soften the hard waters and reduce the nocive acids of laundry detergent. What we use for the decreasing of the waste of water and its contamination is producing the detergent without too many chemical substances, so that the production of it is more eco-friendly. In addition, to make it more friendly to the environment, we use a plastic that can be renewable. Its number 2. This plastic is very resistant and it can be recycled in many ways.
Thank you, Dr. Rayo. Now we move to another specialist's point of view.
That our product really helps the environment and revitalizes the way that people will laundry. We have the components of a common detergent and how they affect the environment and how they affect thousands of lives of innocent animals. The components of laundry detergent can be easily classified in 3 main categories. Builders, which are water softeners, bleach, which includes all the components that enhances the effectiveness of bleach, and enzymes, which degrade stains composed of proteins, fats, or carbohydrates, along other components.
The components of normal laundry detergent are sodium carbonate, sodium triphosphate, sodium perborate, sodium hypochlorite, and acetylethylene-diamine protease.
Builders contain sodium carbonate and sodium triphosphate. Bleachers is made out of sodium perborate and sodium hypochlorite and tetracetylethylene diamine. And enzymes are mainly made by protease. There are 3 different ways in order to process laundry detergent. The first one is called blender. In this one, all the products are put in one machine. After being correctly mixed, they pass to other machine in order to be mixed even further, and it's done. The second one is called agglomerator. In this one, all the substances start in a machine called slurry agglomerator. In this one, all the dry substances mixed, and later on, the liquid substances will be added. After the mixture is cold, the pieces are crushed in order to create a fine powder. The third one is called slurry method. In this one, all the substances are mixed with water to create a slurry mixture. After they are cold, the ingredients are done and ready to packaging. And this was the method in order to create solid detergent. To create liquid detergent, all the next processes needs to be blended with a water solution and a chemical called solubilizer.
Soaps are made of 2 main weak acids, fats and oils, also known as triglycerides. They made an important reaction with alkali, called samplification. When these are heated, they make soap plus water plus glycerin. This is also known as knit soap. In this equation, we have a triglyceride, that in this case is stearic acid, C18H36O2, plus an alkali, that in this case is KOH, also known as potassium hydroxide. This should react by a process called samplification, and then we have soap plus water plus glycerin. Potassium stearate, that is C18H35O2K, plus the water H2O, and plus the glycerin. This is known as knit soap. Another process that makes soap in the neutralization of fatty acids and alkali is a fatty acid plus an alkali is equal to a soap plus a water. This is also known as a knit soap. The difference between this reaction and the previous one is that this one doesn't have the glycerin. These 2 components are hydrolyzed in a high pressure steam. Then the fatty acids are purified by distillation, and later on it's neutralized with alkali to make soap plus water. An example of this is the next chemical equation. We have stearic acid, that is a fatty acid. It's also known as C18H35O2 3C3H5, plus an alkali, that in this case is NaOH, also known as sodium hydroxide. These 2 components are joined and are equal to a glycerol, that is equals to C3H5OH3 plus an stearic acid, that is the same, 3C18H35O2Na.
So our final product is a capsule, and not just a simple capsule. This capsule contains 90% water and 10% vinegar. The reason why we decided to make a capsule is because the formula of the detergent is pretty simple. We cannot take any elements out of it, but we can add elements to cause a reaction that is more eco-friendly. The moment you add vinegar to your normal solution or normal detergent, it reacts with calcium carbonate, creating calcium acetate and carbonic acid. These 2 compounds are so much eco-friendly than the original ones.
Therefore, we have created this amazing product.
Welcome to Timor.
Amazing.
Just incredible.
So what are you waiting for? You guys think that our product it will save